IT manager, for example, you are looking for a particular company who is into software solutions. So you search profile IT manager, software solutions as a keyword and do the filtration. People available in Dubai. So you will get connected with people, same designations. You try to connect with them and ask, sir, do you have any profile for me? I'm almost working with a similar profile. I'm very impressed with your profile. How long you have been in Dubai? I'm also searching in the same domain. Could you give me any reference or at least help me? Chances are there because you are looking for a junior level position. They are on a senior level position. You can also tell them, I know you also struggled a lot to come to Dubai for finding a job. I'm also in the same situation. So I expect you to help, give me some references or just tell me some solutions. I don't want any direct help as a job. Please some references for some area people I can connect. You can ask this. So if there's a possibility to connect with such people, designations, I'm talking about extra possibility, IT managers or IT specialists, network engineers through LinkedIn. So you already have a network of connection. This will help you more because they know than HR which are the companies. Even there is a position in a company, maybe network engineer will say, I need a network specialist. So they give the details of management that I need two IT specialists for my working under my team. Then that requirement goes to the HR. Then HR puts the JD. So obviously the decision is not coming from the HR. HR's role is to hire the person according to the management. Okay. So these are the key persons who decide on which positions to be hired, right? In any company, HR is not a decision maker. HR's role is to hire people according to the designations given by the top management. So when you are interacting with the top management or top positions, they will inform the HR, please check this profile. Because HR is finding it difficult to find the profiles. So when you are interacting with the top management or top level people, they will at least review your CV and say, okay, this they'll communicate with HR. This profile seems to be matching, just to call this guy. When you are directly calling the HR and tell my profile is matching, they won't understand because their background is human resources, not an IT specialist background. So this is something extra. You can do this. Try to connect not with one person. Try to connect with at least 5 people working in the similar company. Send connection. Somebody will accept. Chances are there. If you are able to access somebody accepting the connection request, you can get some informations about the company. Where is the location? Who is HR? Is a Malayali? Is a North Indian, other nationality? Are they hiring? These details will get. So this is something which we do extra for finding the job.